Lamborghini Dallas proudly presents this 2016 Bentley Mulsanne Speed. Equipped with a 6 3/4 liter, 530 horsepower twin-turbo V8 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This car is finished in a beautiful Beluga exterior color and Camel full leather interior. This is an exceptionally clean Bentley that comes well optioned, including suspension settings, rear view camera, electric sunroof, spare wheel, CD changer, dual climate control, 21-inch 5-spoke wheels, adaptive cruise control, power and heated seats, and much more.